Hello, dear students. Today we are going to read a poem number 3, Macavity the Mystery Cat. It is quite a funny poem, you can say. It is beyond truth. You will find it quite nice, I guess. Do you have a pet cat? Have you ever noticed anything mysterious about it? It is not easy to say whether every cat is a mystery, but Macavity is one for sure. What is it that makes him a perfect mystery cat? Read the poem and find out. Macavity's mystery cat. He is called the hidden paw. Hidden, that is not seen, and paw is panja, we can say. For he is the master criminal who can defy the law. The poet wants to say that Macavity, that is a mystery cat, is a criminal who can defy all the law. He is the bafflement to Scotland Yard. Scotland Yard is the British police, and bafflement is confusion. That means the poet wants to say that even the Scotland Yard could not catch Macavity. Macavity is such mysterious, smart cat. The flying squad's despair. Even the flying squad of police is not able to catch Macavity. For when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Whenever a crime happens, and as soon as the police reaches the scene of crime, Macavity is gone already. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. The law of gravity, you all know that the poet wants to say that he has broken the human laws. That means the laws which applies on humans as well as animals. His power of levitation. Levitation is the power of flying in the air, floating in the air without any support. The power of levitation would make a fakir stare. See, we have heard many times that this fakir, this baba, this sadhu has the power of levitation. He can float in air, walk on water. So Macavity is that mysterious personality who has the power of levitation. And when you reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there again. It is a despair for the Scotland Yard. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Macavity is not there. So if you try to find out in basement or into the air, you will not gonna find. Macavity is a ginger cat. Ginger means very much clever. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. You can easily find how Macavity looks. He looks very tall, thin. His eyes are sunken in. His brow is deeply lined with thoughts. See, he is quite thoughtful criminal. He knows everything, how to defy law, how to defy police. His head is highly domed. His coat is dusty from neglect. That means, like we see in comics and all, that these criminals are not very much careful about their looks. So his coat is dusty. The fur coat that a cat wears is dusty from neglect. His whiskers are uncombed. So he is not very much careful about his looks. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. So he is very, very fast. He keep on swaying his head from side to side, and when you think he is half asleep, he is always wide awake. So you cannot befool Macavity. When you feel that he is half asleep or unconscious or is not conscious about the police raid, he is wide awake, I'm telling you. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity, for he is a fiend in feline shape. Fiend is something not good, or we can call dusht. Feline shape. Feline means the animals belonging to cat's family. He is a monster of depravity. You may meet him in a by street. You can easily meet him around the street. You may see him in the square. He can easily move around in squares of the town, but when a crime is discovered, then McCavity is not there. So T.S. Eliot says that McCavity roams around in the city just like any other person, very calmly. He is not afraid of police at all. But when you want to find him out after a crime, he will not going to be found. See, defy means disobey or resist openly. He defies every law. Scotland Yard, headquarters of London Police. Flying squad, a group of police or soldiers ready to move into action quickly. Levitation, floating in air without support. Fiend is devil. Feline, related to cat. Depravity, moral corruption. So from this poem, what does the poet want to convey? The poet want to convey about the criminals around us. He wants to say that criminals are the people. They are the monsters of depravity. Depravity means moral corruption. See, the people, the person who becomes morally corrupt becomes criminal. You can find them round the corner. So these morally corrupt people are found everywhere in our society. But they are so smart that they hide themselves very easily when a crime occurs. You can find them, those morally corrupt people, all around you in different ways. Thank you.